If you are traveling and want to ensure your camera doesn't broadcast by mistake, the CloudValley Webcam Cover Slide is a great solution. I've had this one for 2 years, and it still works perfectly. In this video, we will open it up to take a look at what you get and show you how to install it. There is a nice instruction booklet that shows you how to install it using the transparent tape included with the slide. Next, we take a look at the webcam slide covers themselves. We purchased a 2-pack. After having used this product for a few years on my laptop, I wanted to also install one on my iPad. As you can see, the slide covers are tiny and thin, making them quite discreet. Also, being black, they blend into the MacBook and iPad areas where they are installed. This makes them almost invisible once attached. Finally, the last thing you get in the package are 2 pieces of transparent tape. These are used to help align the webcam cover as you install it, so you can make sure the camera is in the appropriate place. Let's go through the installation process next. The first thing we did was wipe the installation area with a screen cleaning wipe, to make sure it was clean and free of dust. Then, we dried it down thoroughly. The next step is to prepare the webcam cover itself. We do this by making sure to slide it so that it is open. That way, as we are installing it, we can make sure the camera on the iPad is aligned with the opening. Then, take one of the installation adhesives off of the paper backing. By sticking the front side of the webcam cover slide to this transparent tape, it will allow us to position the webcam on the iPad by just holding the tape. You don't have to worry too much how the cover is stuck to the tape, as the tape will be removed after installation anyway. Once the webcam cover is stuck on the tape, we can remove the blue backing from it to expose its adhesive. Now we are ready to stick the webcam cover to the iPad. Holding the transparent tape, you align the webcam cover so you can see the iPad camera lens through the opening. It is best to try and get the camera as close to the center of the circle as possible. Once aligned, we press down firmly for about 15 to 30 seconds to make sure it has adhered. You can then remove the tape. While you can use it right away, the instructions do say it takes 24 hours to fully adhere, so be careful in the beginning. As you can see, the slide also works great on an iPad. Thanks for watching. Please like, follow, and subscribe.